freedom. Open a book and you will find people and things of everyday life. Open a book and you can be anything you want to be. Open a book.
I appreciate the class 4A group for conducting the assembly really well today. Though small they are, still the way they conducted the assembly was very, very impressive. And I appreciate them and I congratulate them. They acknowledge the great work done by the class teacher also in preparing them. So class 4A they have begun well. And we should be thinking what they would be becoming after so many years when they are reaching class 8, 9, 10 and all. So they have done it well, so I appreciate them. And the speaker was reminding about failures. Children, failure happens on account of maybe two reasons. One is we prepare well, in spite of that someday we can fail. But then there can be also times we fail because we don't prepare at all. We take everything very casually. We keep everything at the last moment. And then the process, we are not able to study everything at the end. And so we fail in the exams or other aspects of life. And that's why you should check and find out what's the reason you fail in maybe some subjects or some other aspects of life. If you are a person who don't study every day, then naturally you will fail in some subjects. But then in spite of working so hard, in spite of preparing every day, in spite of that if you fail maybe the subject is very difficult for you and therefore you need not be very, very disappointed. You need not be very sad because you can't work with hard, but then maybe next time work hard and then you can really excel.
Good morning teachers and my dear students. The topic of the day or the inspiration that they have given is the importance of mother in our life. Is it not? All of us know mother has a great role in every one of our lives. The first word a child pronounces is ma. When we say ma or mother, it has so much of attachment to the person and even to that name itself. Because mother is the one who gives us life. Mother is the one who sacrifices herself for the child, for the family, for the society. It is if a girl is educated, the whole world is educated.
Good morning to all. So I congratulate class 4A for their good performance. They have done very well. You can see that though they are very young, but they have conducted the assembly so nicely. The others can learn from them.